In today's video, I'm showing a shortbread cookie that I like to make. This one comes together really quick with just 3 ingredients, 4 if you count the vanilla. I like to buy my butter at Sam's. I just wanted to show this, $10.98, and you get all of this. So come along with me and let's put this together. Now I will add 1½ sticks of butter, or 170 grams, and I'm going to put this in the microwave and melt it. And then 1/4 cup of sugar, or 50 grams. And I'll give that a good mix. I will leave the recipe down below in the description. This is a cookie that you can have fun with. There's so many different things you can add to it, all the different flavorings. I am just going to add a little bit of vanilla, and it'll be 1 teaspoon. Then you just want to give that a good mix. And then you want to add in your flour. You're going to need 2 cups or 250 grams, which is a little extra. So you could do 2 cups and a tablespoon. And then you want to mix it with your spoon. The best way to do this almost just to knead it once you get it pulled together, and that seems to work the best. One nice thing about this dough, you do not need to chill it. We can get right into baking these cookies. So first we've got to just work with it until it's smooth. Once you get it nice and smooth, you're going to roll it into a log just like this. And then I'm going to just take some sugar and I'm going to lay it out just like this. I'm going to roll that into the sugar and kind of get all the sides. And then I'll just start cutting them into 1/4 inch pieces. And then I'm going to put them right on parchment paper, and they do not spread, so you don't have to worry about how close they are together. You can put quite a few in a row. I did 4 in a row. Now I'm going to take a fork into sugar and just press each one. It leaves that little fork mark in the cookie that makes it look very nice. And it keeps it from sticking. Now I am just going to keep peeking in the oven so you can watch them bake. They will start to get brown on the edge. You'll start to see that. These are just the perfect little cookie for coffee or whenever the mood hits. These would be great with frosting too. You could just dust them with powdered sugar. There's so many different things you could do. And now I just want to show you what the inside of this cookie looks like, and check out the edge. These are so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of my other ones if you'd like to click on them. And thank you so much for watching.